Hello everyone. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the number of tasks you have to complete in a single day? Today, we are going to tackle this very common challenge. We'll explore effective time management techniques that can help you handle multiple tasks efficiently without burning out. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of effective time management in multitasking. Identify key time management techniques. Apply these techniques to improve productivity and reduce stress. Develop a personal time management plan. Effective time management is crucial for handling multiple tasks successfully. Without it, we risk becoming overwhelmed and missing deadlines. Good time management allows us to prioritize tasks and allocate our time efficiently. Let's explore some proven time management techniques that can help you multitask effectively. The Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking your work into 25-minute focused intervals called Pomodoros, followed by 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This method helps maintain high levels of focus and prevents burnout. When studying for exams, use the Pomodoro technique to review specific chapters. Focus intensely for 25 minutes, then take a shorter break to recharge. The Eisenhower matrix helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. It's divided into 4 quadrants: urgent and important. Do these tasks immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule these tasks. Urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks if possible. Not urgent and not important. Eliminate these tasks. Imagine you have a project due in 2 days. Urgent and important. And a personal goal to learn a new language. Important but not urgent. Focus first on the project. Then, schedule time for language learning. Time blocking involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. This helps create a structured daily routine and ensures that you allocate enough time for each task. Block out 2 hours in the morning for deep work and another hour for administrative tasks. This structure prevents tasks from overlapping and reduces distractions. Now that we've covered some key techniques, let's focus how to apply them in your daily life. Start by assessing your current time management habits. Identify areas where you can incorporate these techniques. I once had a student, Emma, who struggled with managing her coursework and social life. She started using the Pomodoro technique for her studies and time blocking for her job and personal activities. Within weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her productivity and felt less stressed. Creating a personal time management plan involves prioritizing tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize. Scheduling time blocks. Allocate specific times for each task. Reviewing and adjusting. Regularly review your plan and make necessary adjustments. Start with small changes and gradually incorporate more techniques. Consistency is key to developing effective time management habits. Thank you for your attention today. Effective time management is a skill that can transform your multitasking abilities and enhance your overall productivity. I am excited to hear how you implement these techniques in your daily lives.